Hi, my name is Mahfoud. In this video, we'll talk about prepositions, and we only will talk about three prepositions, which are at, on, and in. And we will talk about each one of them in terms of time and place. So let's start with at, in terms of time. So we use at when we want to talk about time. We use it with specific times. Example, at night, I enjoy watching the stars in the sky. At lunchtime, we will meet our manager. Meet me at 7 o'clock a.m. At the moment, you are watching my video. These are specific times. Now let's move on to place. So we use it to talk about specific locations. Example, my daughter is at school, which means she's not inside the school. She is next to the school at that specific location. Second, my wife is waiting at the bus station. She's not in, she's at that location. And now let's talk about on preposition when it comes to time. So we use on to talk about dates and days of the week and some day words like birthday and holiday. Let's see examples. The event will be on 8th March. This is a date. Work is going to start on Monday. This is a day of the week. He was on holidays this summer. You see? So now let's move on to how we can use on in terms of place. We use on to talk about big area like train, bus, plane, street, etc. Let's see examples. I am on the train now, which means I am on that surface, on the train. He is waiting on the main street. When we want to talk about the street, we use on the street, not in, not at. Okay? Your phone is on the table, is on the table, on that surface. Now, let's talk about the preposition in terms of time. We use in when we want to talk about years, seasons, and parts of the day. Like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Remember, we don't say in the night, in the noon, but we say at night, at noon. Remember this. Let's see examples. In 2022, everyone will travel the world. We hope so. In the morning, I enjoy having tea and my breakfast. In spring, flowers flourish. Now let's see it when it comes to place. We use in to talk about being inside a place, not next to it, okay? But inside it. Let's see examples. My wife is in her house now, which means she is inside, not next to the house. She's inside. My daughter is in the taxi, which means she's not on taxi. We say in the taxi, inside it. I hope you liked the video and I hope you got the idea. If you liked the video, click the like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, try to subscribe to my channel. And I hope I can see you in the next video. But till then, bye.